Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to adjust your Tesla seat for optimal comfort and safety. To begin, locate the seat adjustment control on the side of your seat. Push the horizontal part of the control forward or backward to move the entire seat closer to or further from the steering wheel. Then, use the vertical part of the control to raise or lower the seat's height, finding your ideal vantage point. Next, let's fine-tune your lumbar support. Press the round button on the seat control to adjust the lower back support, moving it in or out to find a comfortable curve. For the headrest, gently pull it up or push it down to align it with the top of your ears. This ensures proper neck support and enhances safety during your drive, reducing fatigue on longer journeys. Once you've found your perfect seating position, you can save it to a driver profile. On your Tesla's large touchscreen display, navigate to the driver profile icon. Select Save Current Settings to link your adjustments to your specific profile. This is incredibly convenient, especially if multiple drivers use the vehicle, as your personalized seat and mirror settings will automatically load when you select your profile. To truly optimize your comfort, take a few moments to experiment with small, incremental adjustments. Pay attention to your posture and ensure you have clear visibility of the road and all dashboard information. Remember, a properly adjusted seat not only enhances comfort, but also contributes significantly to your driving safety and control. Enjoy your personalized Tesla driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.